ClickOnCare.com.
Everyone, today I'm going to present Depiwhite Mask. It is a whitening peel-off mask. It allows faster and deeper penetration of the active ingredients. It helps to remove hyperpigmentation and allows lightening of your skin complexion. Now I'll tell you how you will use this mask. Apply Depiwhite Mask in a thin layer to the affected areas. Leave it to dry for approximately 30 minutes and then peel off manually all in one go. Repeat this application 2 to 3 times per week for 2 to 6 months. This product is marketed by Depiwhite and it contains 40 ml in this bag.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and